Hey, first warning weather on the one forecast at 5:11 with Paul Cano. So we have some snow on the way?
Yeah, I mean, we have until the weekend. So what's today? Wednesday. So we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then we have a chance at some snow for all of us. Some folks are seeing some snow showers and some lake effect stuff.
You know, I saw a car pass me on the Northway this morning, and they had a couple of inches of snow on their car. Where were they coming from? They were coming down from the north.
Yeah, I mean, it could have been anywhere in the Adirondacks. There's a lake effect snow band coming across parts of the Tug Hill Plateau. So that's usually the case when we see some of these cars with like feet of snow on the top. You come out of the snow belt. But, I mean, they're really getting whacked in snowmobile country right now. We'll have a look at the first warning live Doppler. Just a few flurries and scattered snow showers close to home, parts of Greene County, parts of the upper Schoharie Valley out toward Gilboa and off toward Jefferson, which is loaded with snowmobilers in and of itself along the I-88 corridor. But by and large, the heaviest snow band is out here. Look at it, just like a fire hose blowing off of Lake Ontario around Pulaski, south of Watertown, but north of Syracuse on 81. And this zone in here is really getting hit hard over toward Old Forge. The snow is coming down fast and furious, and that's why we have a lake effect snow warning out for the Tug Hill Plateau, and even a lake effect snow advisory for northern Warren County. What's going on here is as the snow band sort of diminishes, as it gets further away from Lake Ontario, it's still throwing some snow showers across parts of northern Warren County. So Gore Mountain, North Creek, parts of the North Country, upper Hudson Valley, getting some lighter accumulations, but accumulations nonetheless. So perhaps that's where the car came that Phil was talking about. Meantime, for the rest of us, just plain old windy and cold this morning. Back into the teens at Chatham, Alford 15, Pittsfield 19, Grafton 14. It is 21 at Glens Falls and 24 in Albany. Few clouds are going to be flying by from time to time. Just some moisture coming in off of the lake. So we'll have sunshine, then the sky will cloud over. We may even get a flurry or two, and then we go back to the sun. But I think the wind and the cold for most of us will be the big story, with wind chills down in the single digits in teens. And these temperatures represent a drop of about 8 to 10 degrees and even as much as 15 to 20 degrees across our area from yesterday. So what does that mean for this afternoon? Even though we start in the teens and 20s, it'll be a slow climb today through the upper 20s. Some places may touch 30, but I think that's a little bit optimistic. And even if it does, that wind is going to make it feel much colder than that. All the way back into the single digits in teens tonight. Look at our overnight lows, even below zero in parts of the Adirondacks, and then only rebounding into the lower, maybe some mid-20s tomorrow as the heart of the coldest air moves over us. So the lake effect snow bands are set up with the westerly wind off of the lakes. We'll have sunshine, clouds mixing in from time to time, a reinforcing shot of colder air with this front as we get into the day tomorrow. But for the most part, the next few days locally, outside of a few passing flurries or snow showers, are going to be dry before another storm approaches for the weekend, which could bring all of us a fresh coating of a few inches of snow. At least 28 today, a mix of sun and clouds and that wind, a passing snow shower locally down to 13 tonight. We'll continue with the breeze, so wind chill values will be at or below zero. 23 tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds remaining very cold, and the 7-day planner shows temperatures come up a bit on Friday, still below freezing though. Saturday evening into Sunday morning is the threat period for some steady snow around here. So we may have to do some snow removal over the weekend, and then we'll go back into the 20s with some sunshine to start next week. Much more on the lake effect snow and the cold temperatures coming up in just 6 minutes. Phil.
All right, Paul, thank you.